It's true that robotic vacuum cleaners have come a long way in the past several years. The number one complaint with robotic vacuum cleaners, they just don't provide a deep enough clean. Most people use robot vacuum cleaners for day-to-day cleaning and not really for deep cleaning on big messes and spills. In this video, I'll be partnering with eufy to take a look at the eufy robot vacuum Omni E28 that not only takes care of your day-to-day messes, but also helps you to tackle larger messes that require a deeper cleaning. Let's go ahead and get started. The E28 has one of the most powerful mopping systems by far, and that's thanks to the Hydrojet System. The Hydrojet System features an extra long 11.4-inch self-cleaning roller mop setup. Now, I've seen roller mops in the past. This one features a dual scraper design. It's able to more efficiently clean the mop pad. When it comes to cleaning up liquid spills in particular, I found that the Hydrojet System does a much better job than traditional spinning mop pads. One of the main benefits of this over dual spinning mop pads is that this is cleaned automatically as it's cleaning your floor, which means it's not spreading the mess around your house. Other robotic cleaners on the market can only clean their mop pads every 15 to 20 minutes when they return back to the base station. Here, the roller mop is automatically cleaned. It really didn't matter what type of mess that I threw at this system, whether it was some chocolate milk or some dried on ketchup. The roller mop here rotates at 360 times per minute and applies 15 N of downward pressure, so even sticky messes like that dried on ketchup were no match for this machine. During my testing, I spread out some sour cream, ketchup, soy sauce, and chocolate milk, and this ran through all four, cleaning them up on the first pass. While many robotic vacuum cleaners can vacuum and mop hard surfaces and can vacuum carpets, I've never seen a robotic vacuum system that can deep clean carpets. The E28 is truly an all-in-one system and actually includes a portable deep cleaner. Now, this is huge for me because I have pets, and look, my pets are well trained and they rarely have accidents, but they do occasionally, maybe once or twice a year, have accidents, and having that portable deep cleaner readily available is a total game changer. Not only is this great for pet stains, but also coffee spills, soda spills, and pretty much anything else that would stain your carpets. Because the portable deep cleaner is not physically attached to the robotic vacuum, they can actually work at the same time. While the robot's out cleaning, I can still tackle stains on my carpets, stairs, or even on my furniture and upholstery. I was pretty surprised at how well this actually works. I dumped out some soda on my rug and this cleaned it up with no problem. The cleaning tool also has a self-cleaning button. When you press that, it cleans out the nozzle. The E28 features the industry's strongest 20,000 PA of suction power. This is able to clean up hair and dust deep inside carpet fibers. The suction power here is equivalent to an upright canister vacuum. I was able to spread out a large mess of coffee grounds and cereal and oatmeal on my tile floor, and this was able to clean that up with zero issues. I then tested this out on the area rug in the living room, and once again, this was able to clean up crushed chips and other debris without any trouble. The high suction power here is also great for pet hair, and I do have a couple of dogs, so that is a big issue in my house. Speaking of pet hair, this has one of the best solutions for removing pet hair from the main center brush. This has a DuoSpiral Detangling Brush, so it's two individual brushes that are attached at one side of the vacuum cleaner and free floating in the middle. The brush forces hair to the middle of the brush where it's separated, and then that 20,000 PA of suction power sucks the hairs directly into the dustbin, eliminating the need to manually remove hairs from the brush. The corner rover arm is great for sweeping up edges, and it can even reach out and grab the debris inside corners, which most vacuums would totally miss. The all-in-one station makes this a truly hands-free experience, starting with the auto-empty dustbin. When the vacuum cleaner returns to the station, it automatically removes all the dust from the dustbin, giving you up to 7 weeks of hands-free use. It then automatically refills the robot's water and even automatically adds detergent before thoroughly auto-washing the mop pad. Once the mop pads are clean, it automatically extracts the dirty water, and then it dries the mop pad to eliminate odors and bacteria. The built-in obstacle avoidance system uses AIC to recognize over 200 different types of objects. This does a great job of getting very close to the objects without touching them or moving them. I don't know about you, but in my house, I've got kids and dogs that leave their toys out and sometimes their shoes. It's great that this vacuum cleaner can actively clean around those things, and I don't have to babysit the vacuum cleaner. The eufy E28 features an eco-friendly design made with 95% recyclable packaging materials and features valley charging, which is a pretty cool feature. It actually charges the machine on off-peak hours, which can even save you some money. Overall, if you're looking for a robotic vacuum cleaner that gives a truly deep clean experience, then the E28 by eufy is definitely a great option. Not only does it have industry-leading suction power at 20,000 Pascal, it also has one of the most advanced mopping systems with the Hydrojet roller mop. With the included portable deep cleaner, this is truly an all-in-one solution for your deep cleaning needs. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about eufy's E28 and where you can purchase it for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.